What's up, my friendly neighborhood pyros? This is Pyro Ronnie, and we back with most likely what's going to be my final stash update for 2021. There's only a few days left to bust till it's time to bust them all off. You know, bust them. Bang, 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 bang. And what I have here to show you guys is just a quick pickup. So let's get into it. Well, we were able to grab a couple of these 200 grammers right here. Crazy Bomber. 16 shot, 200 gram cake. By Alien. Everybody knows Alien's got good product. There you go. 200 grammer. There's your performance. 16 red and blue stars then whistles and crackles. Final 4 shot at one time. There you go. Crazy Bomber. Dun 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 dun. So we got 2 of those. Next up, we got Match Magic by Brothers. It's a 25 shot, 200 gram cake. This cake's been around for a while, 6 years I think. And the performance is right here. Strike up rows of crackling tails and crackling with whistles, blue star and silver glitter, crackling comet tails, and 3 shot blast of brocade, 25 shots. There you go. Match Magic. All right. Next up, we got this cake right here by Ninja. It's called Horse Race. It's a 200 gram cake. It's a good size 200 gram cake too. Shoots 18 shots. It's by Ninja. There you go. There's the performance. This one's got some pretty decent colors in it. I like the performance. It's called Horse Race. There you go. You guys know my stash is getting humongous. Shout out to a couple pyros out there. Will Jeezy, because he's the king right now, and I love his stash, man. His stash is impressive. Shout out to Pyro Shenanigans, because he's been bussing. He's been bussing. So check out Pyro Shenanigans when you guys get a chance. Check out some of his shows he's been doing lately. All right, next we got these. Yep, we got more Pagoda packs. It's got a couple more Pagoda candle packs. So, these come 9 in a pack. Red Apple is the brand. You guys know me and Red Apple go hand in hand.
That's Fireworks. Never seen a video on that one. Some single shots and double shots.
Yes, sir. We got a couple of those Pagoda packs. My Roman candle game is strong, so you guys know what's cracking with that. Check out my videos if you want to see more of my Roman candles. Next up, we got these. Yes, we did. The ganja candles. These are fat. They're called the Blunts. Extra large Roman candles. They come 5 in a pack. Each candle shoots 8 shots. And these got the bangs. Not the breaks, but they got the bangs and the colors. Okay, so we got 2 of those. Red Apple. You know.
Really good color cake too.
You know, your boy's just gonna probably keep bringing you updates until the 4th of July and probably even after. Because this is what I do. I collect these. Don't get me wrong, I also bust these. bussin'.
Nightcrawler.
So I got to get you guys some more videos. So I did get some more of these. I know I showed you guys 4 packs in the last video, but we've gotten more since then. So next up, we got to pack each of them right there. The Chroma Neon Fusion. We got that. Yes, we did.
Sanity Shells by SSP. Neon Viper for flashing.
There you go.
Kong Shell.
26-inch, shoots high, they're very loud. Neon peonies is the effect.
There's some other ones in there.
There's that warning label I like to show. Rockets with reports. And here's those beautiful Neon Fusion rockets by Chroma. And these rockets are good, guys. They're really good. Really, really good. So, give Red Apple a shout out. Please go to www.redapplefireworks.com and see if you can get some fireworks. They're shipping. They're shipping. Hopefully you can get your order in and get them delivered before 4th of July. All right. Next up, we got these. Hashtag Fly is Extra L Rockets by Triumph, and they pretty. Yes, they are. We did get those. Yes, sir. So, there it is.
I'm ready. I'm pumped up. I don't know about you guys. There's been a shortage of this year.
Next up,
I'm blessed. I'm so blessed.
we were able to get these. Yep, don't blink because we got these. For those who know. If you know, you know.
I'm doing 2 shows. Hopefully we can get both recorded.
Yes, sir. Next up, we got these assortments right there. The All-American Blockbuster with the rainbows. Okay. And then we also got that same All-American Blockbuster, but the one with mostly box. So let's see what we got. There it is, and pretty much the same thing, just with Saturn missiles. Only difference. Yes, sir. Pyro Ronnie brought you another stash update. Yes, sir. Rolling with Will Jeezy. And I'm right there next to him. I don't know. Maybe I've got the top 10. I'm in the top 10 for the best stash of 2021. I'm just saying. Nobody got it like this over here where I'm at. I'm just saying. Alright guys, we getting ready to go bang bang real soon, real soon. Alright, party people over here, and party people over there. Hope you guys got your works up, because 4th of July is coming. I'd like to welcome everybody to the jungle. I got them warps. Yep. Got them warps back there. Yep. You guys know I'm ready. I'm ready. There's that other Pagoda. So we got 3 of those now. There's some more ghosts. So we're sitting on probably 10 packs of ghost candles. Got the Death Discos. Man, we at it. This brick right here. Look at these. These are loud. 80 of these in here. So, alright guys, till the next stash update, I'm out. Pyro Ronnie is the king. Peace.